everyone, I'm Lauren. I have ADHD and this is I Know What I'm Doing. This is the channel where I indulge my urge to start new hobbies with little to no prior knowledge and the faith that I'll figure it out as I go. I'm not always safe, please don't do as I do. Today I'm moving on to the body of Verna's cabinet and trying to save some of the original veneer. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, check out part 1 here. If you enjoy watching this, please subscribe. Check the description for links to my Ko-fi and Patreon accounts. New hobbies are expensive, so are good microphones and cameras, so your donations are greatly appreciated. I'm starting with steel wool and mineral spirits to loosen up the old finish and clean off any dirt and dust. Technically, I should just let this sit and soak, but part of my ADHD is the need for instant results, which ultimately leads to more work. You can see that we're already down to bare wood around the edges though. I'm bringing back ye old flathead screwdriver to get rid of the price sticker or whatever that goo used to be. Now that I've convinced myself steel wool alone isn't going to cut it, it's time to bring in the sandpaper and look at those results. I'm doing another round of mineral spirits because it will show me where I still need to sand while cleaning off the finer dust that rag might not get. I'm doing a couple of rounds of oil soap here because I guess I felt like it. I don't really remember my thought process at the time, but I'm sure it made sense. I took the top of the cabinet off and found somebody's lost pins. That's kind of cool. I'm really glad the veneer is in good shape here. It might not match the rest of the cabinet anymore, but I like that she gets to keep a little of her old skin. And now for the underside. I'm starting with a general wipe down. This side has some kind of paint or stain that reminds me of the cheap weatherproofing they use at summer camps or on outdoor picnic tables at parks. I really hate it. Of course, because I didn't wait, this is absolutely gunking up my sandpaper. Uh-oh, the gloves are coming off. Time to get serious. Plastic totes have magically appeared because I was working on this during a yard sale. I think we're going to end on this blessed moment of natural wood color, so if you have a hobby you think I should try, drop it in the comments, along with any useful bits of advice around the project or thoughts on the video. See you Friday with more sanding and scraping. Love you!